Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In these tutorials I am going to show you how to centering header menu in DOM theme. So if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to design and customize your Shopify online store without hiring any developer, then you can continue this video. So let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store, and you can see that right now my logo in the left, my menu also left side, and the icon in the right side. But if you think very carefully, in here there is a huge section is white or blank. That looks very unprofessional, our website header. That's why most of Shopify users want to move the menu item in the center but keep the logo in the left and icon in the right. Okay, right now I'm going to show you do this very easily and simply, so I hope you can do it very easily. Okay, first you have to right click on your mouse, then select inspect. Now move your mouse and put it on here, and you can see that there is a simple code grid template column under the header middle left, and I'm going to simply change this code from O to 1FR. Okay, you can see that our menu right now in the center and it looks good. But we have not finished this text yet because we have to save this code in the base.css file. Okay, so I'm going to base.css file and just simply copy this class. Okay, and here is my Shopify admin panel. Then click online store, then click on this three dot icon, edit code. Now search CSS and open base.css file, and here click Ctrl F from your keyboard, then Ctrl B to paste and find it. And you can see that here is the code that we have to change. Just from auto make it 1FR and click on the save. Okay, asset save. Now go back to store and reload, close it. Wow, it's worked. So simple and fast. So I hope you understand everything very clearly and you can do it by yourself without hiring any developer. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service relevant Shopify WordPress SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.